Meet Dyson most powerful cordless vacuum yet, Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Plus. Constant, powerful suction to deep clean your house. Cordless to reach hard to reach places easily. Transforms to a handheld in one click. Super large 0.76 liter dustbin for longer cleaning. No need to touch the dirt with point and shoot hygienic bin emptying. Captured 99.97% of dirt as small as 0.3 micron with fully sealed filtration system. Drop-in docking for easy storing and charging. Sound great? Let's go into details. There are lots of accessories included in V10 Absolute Plus package. I won't cover them one by one over here again. Do refer my Dyson V10 unboxing video for details. Learn all their functions and features there. Yeah, Dyson V10 modular design is very useful. Different elements are being used for different usages. You can attach and remove with single click of the button. For example, connect mini motorized tool to clean mattress, or soft dusting brush with one for high up spaces. 3 power modes to select: Min, Mid, and Max. For daily cleaning, Min power is good enough for hard floor, while Mid for carpeted floor. Max is required for deep cleaning only, like mattress. Based on my test, Min mode can last for 62 minutes, Mid with 30 minutes, and Max for 6 minutes. It takes 3.5 hours to fully charge, and you can check the battery life status from LED light indicator. For actual usage, Dyson V10 managed to clean my whole double-story semi-D with around 100 square meter on mid power mode. As for noise level, min mode has 71 dBA and mid power is 77 dBA. The most powerful mode is 85 dBA. Loud, no doubt, but it is as powerful as cord vacuum. Alright, let's have some real tests. In short, it can suck in all the stuff that you throw at, from the usual dust, larger long leaf, and even the heavy mung beans. And V10 suction power is too powerful at maximum mode. I need to use medium power for the carpet test, yet it performed the best among all vacuum cleaner that I try, all thanks to better performing direct drive cleaner head. Okay, what makes Dyson V10 special compared to other cordless vacuum cleaner? Fade-free suction with constant power. Yes, unlike most vacuum with HEPA filter installed before vacuum motor, Dyson has it after. This gives Dyson V10 constant suction power, as accumulated dust does not block the path before motor at all, and thanks to well-designed airflow that separate dust and dirt to dustbin instead of HEPA filter. In addition, it is super easy to clean Dyson V10 dustbin and filter. Just push the release trigger, all the stuff will be ejected out. Close the bin after that. Yes, no need to touch the dirt at all. Same apply to filter cleaning. Just clean it with water will do. And you need to do so every month or when needed. Unlike others which need to do so every time after dustbin fill up, else you don't have full suction power. Trust me, you won't like to clean this filter. It's dusty. Next, more power saving. Dyson V10 stop vacuum once you release power trigger. Motor spins when needed only. It also stops motor from spinning once blockage is detected. Other vacuum will just keep going and waste battery. Lastly, there is LED diagnostic system that lets you know when to clean the filter as well. Cordless vacuum cleaner is very useful for daily cleaning. No need to worry about length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning task. Dyson V10 comes with plenty of accessory help to make the task even easier. Just use the right tool will do. It can be used to clean in a narrow space and top corner up above the walls with creative tool attached to wand. Clean keyboard with soft dusting brush. Deep clean every part of your car. The portable design surely makes the cleaning task easier, as you can see. Yes, no wire attached. Again, don't forget the very useful mini motorized tool for cleaning mattress and sofa. No need to buy additional mattress vacuum. Dyson V10 will do the job just fine. That's pretty much cover everything of this most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner from Dyson yet. Totally worth the investment. Enjoy constant powerful suction, better cleaner heads, and lot of useful tools that make cleaning more efficient and easier. Thanks for watching. Peace.